Hey guys, this video is paid by Grub Terra, Black Soldier Blah Lava. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a collab for Grub Terra. It's Black Soldier Blah Lava. It says here, produces stronger eggshells, keeps feathers healthy, and it's farm raised. 75% more calcium than mealworms. And guess what? It says at Grub Terra, every decision we make is focused on healing the earth. We are doing that by converting food waste into delicious chicken feed using Black Soldier Blah Lava. 1 pound of grub is 20 pounds of food waste saved from the landfills. And it says here a handful a day to take and give to your chickens. And the ingredients is Black Soldier Blah Lava. Only thing in here. The nutrition facts is crude protein, crude fat, crude fiber, calcium, lysine, and phosphorus. And guess what, guys? It's made in the USA. Now, here is their website. I will link that in the description down below. I'm going to go and give it to the chickens and see how they do. And if you want to take and order some, you will get a discount code that I will add right here on the screen for you guys. Be right back. Look guys, this is what it looks like. Alright. You see the girls. Chit chit chit. Wow, they're going down on it. I had a chicken missing. 1, 2. They're all here. The bag, look. Y'all see that? Y'all let her get some. Wow, they love it. And you guys see that my chickens, their feathers, they're losing their feathers. So they say this is good for, keeps their feathers strong. So, and it's a lot cheaper than going to Tractor Supply. And it's made in the U.S. So, hey, They're wanting more. I'm going to give them just a little bit more because I really didn't give them a whole handful. And you get a whole lot. I mean, you can barely tell I've even used any. Hey, don't fight. Don't fight over it. Alright guys, I'm going to put the coupon code right here. And I will also have their website down in the description. Go check them out, guys. Thank you.